Hi friends, this is the I Old Monk and today we are with the Xiaomi Redmi 5. The Redmi 5 is the new smartphone in the budget segment by Xiaomi. This is going to sell through Amazon. Let's go into the specs, and it comes with a full view display of 18:9 where it comes with the 75.9, which is approximately 76% screen to body ratio, and the device looks pretty much similar like Redmi Note 5, not Note 5 Pro, this is Note 5. And here you can see there's a camera bump, fingerprint sensor and the LED flash all aligned in the middle, and the antenna lines are above that. It comes with the Snapdragon 450 as a chipset, which is octa-core processor. This is a 3 GB RAM, 32 GB internal storage variant, and other than this it has a micro USB charging slot. It doesn't support the fast charging. The battery is 3300 milliampere, and as far as the OS is concerned, this is running on Android 7.1.2, which is Android Nougat. Above that it is MIUI 9. This is the Chinese variant, so definitely you will find the apps a little bit different in your Indian retail unit. And the color will be coming are the blue color, rose gold color and the black color. These are the four colors what will coming. This is the gold color. And as far as the UI is concerned, it is pretty much same. And here you can see the device comes with the MIUI 9, and it comes with the Snapdragon 450 battery, RAM, and the device name is Redmi 5. Here you can see. As far as the specs are concerned, I have already discussed with you earlier, and it comes with the dual feature space, where you can see the second space. You can have the two accounts of WhatsApp, Facebook, you can do that. And there are some more features in that: quick ball, notification setting, one hand mode. So one hand mode you can change to 4.5 inch or 4 inch according to your need. So the quick ball is the quick toggle, where you can get the toggles very easily and do the shortcuts. As far as the device is concerned, it comes with the hybrid SIM card slot. So there's a two SIM cards option. It comes with the 4G VoLTE support. Here you can see there are button and gesture support. You can hide the soft buttons, you can hide it, and you can also bring it back. So here you can see it hidden in beneath the layer, and you can bring it back. The full screen mode, where you can see the full screen app, and you can configure which apps can go for the full screen menu and which are not. So this is completely customizable, as MIUI 9 gives you a lot of customization in the app. And as far as the device is concerned, it is pretty easy to hold. You can see it looks like 5.2 inch. Now coming back to the camera, one of the most highlighted feature and talk feature what you guys like. So the as you can see, the rear camera is pretty impressive. We have taken some shots and the detailing looks good. The colors are crisp, and we will also check a image with a kind of macro shot, a close-up image. But I have taken a selfie, which is not I have impressed with the device, but still the device will be coming around 7,000 to 10,000. So this is a competitive market for Xiaomi, and as you can see, the detailing of the pictures are good and impressive. So definitely camera is not that bad. And as far as the UI is concerned in the camera app, so the modes are pretty much similar what we have seen. Now we have already done a comparison of Redmi 5 versus Redmi Note 5. You can check the link below. So this is all about Xiaomi Redmi 5. This is @I Old Monk signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.